God damn it.
What is happening now?
Oh, God damn it.
My name is Ridge Chaser, and I'm a North American racer in the motorsports subset known as TOUGE. This is my journey through the elusive and captivating corner of this underground automotive world.
Oh, so for YouTube, do you want to like explain what this is? Like, you know, to people who don't understand like the canyon stuff, how this is all set up?
Okay, so basically, you ever seen Initial D?
I'm sure a lot of people
I'm just
have.
kidding.
Yeah,
I'm just kidding.
No, yeah.
So essentially, it's like a lot of the stuff like this I don't know the word. It's originated over in Japan back in the big JDM boom of the 90s. Because in Japan, I've been there, they don't got a lot of straight roads. That's not the exact reason, I'm sure, but that's the reason that I'm going to cite. And basically, they started with the whole tailgate battle thing, you know, who can take the corners the fastest, and they had all these crazy roads. You'd go up to the mountain pass at night because there was no one up there. You couldn't race your cars in the street or you get busted by the cops. And essentially, many years later, I think that's about 30 years at this point, it's been kind of revived in the United States. It's sort of not so prominent in a lot of areas. It's kind of just on the cusp of regaining that sort of popularity at the level that it's currently at, from what I've seen. Because there's some select groups that do canyon runs, and they do stuff like this, but they've been pretty few and far in between until as of recent, as far as my understanding goes. Or there were a couple groups and they dissipated. It's never been as big as I've seen it now, to my knowledge.
Yeah, this is like a new wave.
A new wave where people got tired of doing donuts in intersections and decided to do some driving that actually takes skill.
I kind of have like this theory where, you know, the donuts people or like the sideshow people, would they even like show up here in the first place, or is it a completely different set?
I think we've proven that by now, that they will not show up.
Which is that's a blessing.
That is a blessing.
And in fact, like, you know, as bad as sideshows are, you know, they've kind of drawn the attention away to what we're doing.
They have. And you know, it's rather surprising that, like, even with the police officers I've seen, you know, it almost seems like, from my personal experiences, what I've witnessed, that they'd rather us, like, do stuff like this than just be in the city causing mayhem for them. It's almost like the theory of, you know, if you're gonna race on my city streets, I'm gonna pull you over, but if you want to kill yourself on a back road, be my guest.
Right, out of sight, out of mind.
Out of sight, out of mind. But I don't want to jinx anything, you know. But it's definitely a lot safer and a lot more controlled as well, you know. A lot of these drivers, a lot of these guys, they put a lot of effort into what they're doing, and a lot more thought into what the limits of their car are and how they can handle it and how they can improve themselves as a driver, as opposed to just being flashy and showing off and causing a mess. Mm-hmm. You know.
No parking lot two-stepping thing. In fact, a lot of people on purpose try to make the car as least flashy as possible.
Yeah.
And then of course here we are, kind of grouping up. What's the deal here? And
I'm so jealous of that BRZ.
Oh, the BR. Oh, yeah, right.
Because he does rallycross, right?
I don't know if it's rallycross or rally stages or.
I'm just jealous of that setup. Oh god, that Subaru sounded good.
Bro, his brakes are like literally fucking smoke. I smell it.
Yeah, they're.
Oh, I know that smell.
This is where we're gonna go.
Okay.
And once we get to the top, we're not gonna come back down this way.
Yeah, let's do that. Are we going to or something?
What about perhaps, or maybe?
That's my vote. That's my vote.
I think you'll love.
I'm down for whatever. Yeah.
Okay.
You haven't done. I showed you it, but you haven't.
Oh, the technical. I'm so down for that. Actually, yes, yes. Let's do that.
Okay, so we got 2 people.
You want to? Yeah, let's do that, and then.
The moment I get to the 4 corners, I'll let you jump in front.
Okay, I'll just. You want me to be behind you, or have him behind you? My car is I think exactly how I want it set up, which means it is like wants to kill me.
And the traffic's dying down now too.
But if it's gonna be like another corner, another corner, another corner.
The way it should be. Yeah.
It's freaking sick.
Okay.
Okay. I don't want anyone to crash.
There's a lot of people.
Yeah.
It'll be fine.
Disclaimer: if you crash, we don't know you. But if I crash, please stick around.
You know me.
Yeah. I mean, we definitely stick around. It's like stick around, but we don't know them. It's like, oh, we're just a passerby in our, Outback.
We were just driving by in our Subaru Outback.
I've got to say, like, I haven't even gotten the opportunity to bed my new brakes in yet. But even already, the upgrade is just like, it's phenomenal. It's like, it made way more of a difference than I thought it would.
Oh. No, yeah, I mean, brakes and tires, man. That's all you need.
Yeah, because I was like, you just put the bigger engine in. And then, like, I was feeble-minded. I did not know. I was blinded by power. Literally, yeah. I was like, Subaru engine for $400. Fucking, where do I swipe my credit card? No, that was probably like one of the best deals in like all of Toyota history, because for that $400 car, I got a JDM motor and enough parts to trade for a Subaru Legacy. Which is like insane.
No, yeah, I mean, no, in the end it worked out.
Yeah, that car was a bitch to dispose of though.
Oh, that's right, the whole deal.
Statute of limitations, I guess. I don't know. Did some unholy things to the car because somebody didn't give me the title.
Right, yeah, I mean, like, it shouldn't have even been that much of a hassle.
It shouldn't have. It should have been like, oh, hey, Pick and Pull, come get the car. And then it was just like, well, I don't have the title. I was like, well, I got to get rid of this car. Because it was at my friend's house. So I couldn't just keep it there forever. His parents were fucking pissed. But still, like, it's funny because his parents were, like, upset with me. But they didn't complain nearly as much as my actual friend who I asked to help, like, barely on occasion. It's because they were like Southern. They like offered me crawfish every time I was there.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, it was like really wholesome. And my friend was like, "Sup, fucker, when are you getting this Subaru out of my yard?" And I was like, "Shut the hell up. You don't even pay rent here."
Oh, so it wasn't even like, yeah, his issue.
Yeah. I mean, like, he agreed to like help me with it to an extent, but like, he was like, "What's up? When are you getting this Subaru out of here?" I'm like, "Dude, your parents are like ludicrously nice to me about this, and you're like just being a bitch." But I mean, I love that motherfucker, but like, he's a bitch. Yeah. It was certainly a fun situation, to say the least. I don't know if I'm using that word in the literal context. I'm probably not. But it was definitely interesting to have to go all GTA on a car like that.
Straight up, yeah. Just handle, like, not handle. I can't even think of it.
I think the movie you're thinking of is Saw.
Yeah. Saw, that's right. How could I forget?
Yeah. Because, like, it's one of those things where, as far as the government is concerned, you stole the car, even though you didn't. As far as the government's concerned, you did. As far as Pick and Pull is concerned, you did. So it's like, what the fuck do you do? What are your options at that point to dispose of an entire vehicle without wheels or any parts on it?
Go saw on it.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, the oil temperature is just rising. Just by the second.
What is it? Oh, 266. Okay, we
It
got
just
some.
hit 268.
It hits 270 sometimes, yeah. There we go. Not the ice that makes it, but we do with what we got. Amazing how much like trail braking and like, you know, lifting and whatever helps rotate this car.
You can get more oversteer in this car than you can in mine. I think it's just because the center of gravity is still really high.
Fair enough. Oh, something weird's happening there. Oh, okay.
You turn off ABS?
No, you can't do that.
Or did you just get that light?
Oh, I just got that light. Yeah, that's just a thing that it does.
Okay, so
I'm aware of it. Yeah.
So yeah, so it's not actually broken. It's just like some sensor is fucking sending a signal. Yeah,
Pretty much. Yeah, it says eyesight now.
That's like the mirror thing, right?
Yeah, that's exactly the mirror thing. I'm sure Dan has talked to you about that before. Oh, that was a good run.
That was a good run. Vape God.
Do you actually vape?
No.
Okay.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. I feel peer pressured every day. I put more work into that car.
He needs to remember.
Oh, I think this is the single thing.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, this is a real rally road, huh?
Oh, yeah. And of course, the rally driver would take us here.
Call McRae. I'm calling McRae. Don't die. That's what Calvin always says.
Gold, don't die.
Don't pull a helicopter.
Helicopter.
Yeah, that's how Colin McRae died.
Oh, no. Oh, distasteful.
Colin McRae was like, watch me fly this helicopter, and then he just fucking ate shit. Yeah. Just don't do that. Just don't be like Colin McRae.
This is a deceptive type of road here.
Yeah. Jesus Christ. Okay, this is a real rally road right here. Like, I've been on territory, and that's like a borderline rally road, but it's only because there's a lot of like crests. This is like real shit right here.
Real rally shit, yeah.
You need like dirt sections on this. And the cliff is like right there.
Okay. Okay.
No pressure, no pressure.
No pressure at all.
It's not like you're surrounded by like trees and cliffs. You know, it's fine.
Is that a headlight? Oh no.
It's a house. Thankfully.
Oncoming houses. I've towed a house before.
That's crazy. On one of those fucking giant like trailers.
Yeah.
That was fun. Full over crest. Free ride. Sharp left, don't cut.
Oh, don't cut. I'm loving this so far.
This is a beautiful. This road makes me wish I had my car.
It would always be set for it.
I would be absolutely terrified at first, but I feel like I'd haul ass on this road with enough practice. Yeah, now that I know this is here, I'm definitely coming back here.
Oh yeah. Yeah, what are we doing on the whole time? Like, no, this is fun.
Yeah, this is the real shit. Those real low speed corners.
Let's go.
I bet this would be really nice during the day.
Oh, I mean, yeah, given no traffic, that would be.
Well, I mean, just like as far as like views go.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That is like the scenic route.
Mm-hmm. As a road, it's like it's calm. I'm gonna crash into you. I know you have anxiety, but stay in there, buddy. That's fun.
You do a lot of really late braking.
Oh, who?
You.
Oh, me? Oh.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I mean, where else am I going to catch the speed?
Yeah. See, my strat is that I do most of my braking earlier than I have to so I can accelerate sooner.
Ah.
Because that's where I found the Subaru really likes to excel, is pulling itself out of corners. That's where I find I can get the advantage on most of the guys. I don't know, I don't think I've ever done like a real like battle.
Oh.
Like
yeah, those are rare nowadays.
Yeah, I mean, that's not really honestly what I'm in it for. Like, I'm not trying to actually battle someone to that level, I don't think. I'm just trying to be fast and improve my skills.
Yeah.
And hang out with cool people.
That's really what it's about.
Like, I'd do a casual battle, but I wouldn't do anything crazy.
Like a super risky or anything like that.
Yeah, yeah. I wanna put my skills up against like another Subaru eventually.
Oh well,
that is one thing that I really want to do.
You have universal hair.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I really want to battle him because he's got the new Subaru and I've got the old Subaru. Mm-hmm. So I really want to do it more so as like a comparison test. A kind of battle of the wits, or if you still have this thing when I get the Outback.
No, I won't.
We could do Outback versus Outback, old versus new. This is fucking fun. This reminds me of the top section of Pine. Or the middle section of Mines.
Oh, okay. At least they didn't completely lose me. I'm happy with that. Oh, yeah, my.
It's not like there's many other ways to go.
Mm-hmm. True story. Woo! I like that. I like that.
That was
you know, it made me
fun.
like I had to think for a bit.
Yeah.